Samsung Galaxy Note 10 is getting a bunch of new leaks, and this time I have a render that pretty much shows you the whole entire design of the Galaxy Note 10, and you will be pretty astonished. So, Phone Arena, which is one of the biggest sites for technology news and also technology leaks, just made a series of renders which will blow your mind, and the Note 10 looks really nice, and these designs are actually based on several weeks of leaks. So this is pretty much the actual smartphone. So get ready. You can see in this very first image, you get the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 with a 6.75-inch display by Phone Arena. Both sides of the screen are curved, which is really nice, and there are curved more than the Samsung Galaxy S10. The tiny little dot on the very top is the front-facing camera, and you will be getting about 1 to 3 millimeter thick bezels on the top and bottom, which is virtually non-existent. Screen spotting ratio is around a 95%, which is really nice, and that's more than any other Samsung smartphone I have seen yet. And you can see in this next image, you get another look of the smartphone. The buttons are on the very side. The screen is absolutely stunning. And on the very bottom, you can see there's a speaker grills, the S Pen slot, and the USB-C port. On the very top, which they don't show, is the headphone jack, which Samsung will be putting it on there. So that should be a major relief. You can also see there is a vertical camera setup. Now, according to Ice Universe, he's been saying that the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 will be going for a vertical quad lens setup, which is what Phone Arena did for this smartphone. It looks really nice. There is a slight 1 to 2 millimeters of the camera bump, which is a standard these days for major flagship smartphones, and this phone looks absolutely stunning. There's also a rainbow of dazzling colors like the ones you see here. You get gray, red, yellow, green, and blue, and it just looks really nice, and it's a really fresh look compared to the previous Galaxy smartphones. Now, you may be wondering, is the phone too big to hold in my hand? Actually, it's the perfect size. Samsung decreased the overall body and increased the overall screen, hence that tiny little dot in the middle, so definitely it's a good smartphone to play with. So this is everything I have for you guys. These are like the main colors, designs, and everything you need to know about the Galaxy Note 10. Get excited. This smartphone is launching in less than 2 to 3 months. So definitely save money and cop one of these for yourself. And thanks for watching.